Are you sick of paying for a gym membership you barely use? Tired of waiting for equipment in a crowded weight room? The best piece of equipment for building muscle and shredding fat is the one you already own: your body. Welcome to the ultimate bodyweight shred. This is the guide to stop making excuses and start seeing results. Here's everything you need to know. This program is your full-week guide to getting in phenomenal shape without any equipment. It is designed around a 5-day, Monday to Friday schedule to build consistency and deliver serious results. The program consists of 3 distinct full-body workouts: Workout A, Workout B, and Workout C, that you will cycle through during the week. This structure ensures you hit every muscle group multiple times, which is the secret to getting more done in less time. We'll focus on 2 key principles: compound movements that work multiple muscles at once, and progressive overload, which means continually challenging your body so it adapts and grows stronger. Here's how the week is structured. Monday, Workout A. Tuesday, Workout B. Wednesday, Workout C. Thursday, Workout A. Friday, Workout B. This schedule provides the perfect blend of intensity and recovery, targeting muscles with enough frequency to see real change. The most important thing is to listen to your body, maintain proper form, and push yourself. Before you begin each day, it's essential to properly warm up. Never skip the warm-up. It's essential for priming the body, increasing blood flow to the muscles, and waking everything up. This prevents injury and ensures you can perform at your best. Perform this routine before every workout. Start with simple jumping jacks. Stay light on your feet, with arms going all the way up as your feet kick out. The goal is to warm the engine with a good, steady rhythm. Next, plant your feet about shoulder width apart for arm circles. Start with small forward circles, then gradually make them bigger to feel a stretch across the chest and shoulders. Then reverse the direction with big backward circles to open up the chest. Follow that with bodyweight squats. With feet shoulder width apart, chest high, and core tight, imagine sitting back into a chair. Go as low as possible without letting your back round or your heels lift. Power back up through your heels, squeezing your glutes at the top. Focus on smooth, controlled repetitions. Finish the warm-up with torso twists. Stand with a soft bend in your knees and rotate your upper body from side to side. Let your arms be loose and follow the movement to loosen up the spine and core, which are vital for stabilization. After the warm-up, you should feel warmer and looser. Take a quick sip of water before beginning the day's workout. Workout A. Full Body Foundation. This workout is your foundation for the week. The format is 40 seconds of work followed by 20 seconds of rest for each of the 4 moves. Complete the full circuit, rest for 1 minute, and repeat for a total of 2 to 3 rounds. First is the walkout push-up for the chest, shoulders, and core. Start standing, hinge at your hips, and plant your hands on the floor. Walk your hands out into a high plank. Perform 1 perfect push-up, with elbows pointing back. Then, press back up and walk your hands all the way back to your feet and stand up. For a modification, drop to your knees for the push-up portion. Next is the reverse lunge to knee drive for the legs, balance, and core. Step 1 foot far back into a deep lunge. As you push off the back foot to stand, drive that same knee straight up toward your chest. Find your balance for a moment, then repeat on the other side, alternating legs with each rep. To modify, stick to the reverse lunge without the knee drive. Third is plank shoulder taps. Get into a high plank with feet slightly wider than your hips. Brace your core and slowly lift your right hand to tap your left shoulder, then place it back down. Repeat with the left hand to the right shoulder. The slower you go, the harder it is. The only goal is to keep your hips completely still. The last move is sumo squat pulses to target the glutes and inner thighs. Take a wide stance with toes pointed out slightly. Drop into a deep squat, keeping your chest up. Instead of coming all the way up, pulse in that bottom range of motion. Up an inch, down an inch. Keep pressing your knees out. Workout B. Strength and power. This workout focuses on building serious strength and power. Follow the same format. 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of rest. Complete the full circuit, rest 1 minute, and repeat for 2 to 3 rounds. First is the Bulgarian split squat, using a couch or chair. Place the top of your back foot on the chair. Your front foot should be far enough out so your knee doesn't travel past your toes when you lower. Perform for 20 seconds on one leg, then quickly switch to the other for the remaining 20 seconds. Drop your body straight down, then power back up through your front heel. Next is the upper body builder, the pike push-up, which is fantastic for shoulders and triceps. Get into a downward dog position, forming an upside-down V. From there, bend your elbows and lower the top of your head toward the floor. The closer your feet are to your hands, the more difficult it becomes. Now for the glutes and hamstrings with the glute bridge march. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Drive through your heels to lift your hips toward the sky. From this top position, keep your hips high as you lift your right knee in towards your chest. Slowly lower it, and without letting your hips drop, lift the left knee. The finale is the burpee, a total body conditioning exercise. Start standing, squat down, and place your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back to a plank and perform a push-up. Then, jump your feet back in and explode up into a powerful jump. To modify, step your feet back instead of jumping and skip the push-up. Workout C. Metabolic and Core Finisher. This workout is a finisher designed to empty the tank and maximize calorie burn. The format remains 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Complete the circuit, rest 1 minute, and repeat for 2 to 3 rounds. First up is climbers. In a high plank position, drive your knees to your chest one after the other, as if running horizontally. Keep your hips down and your back flat. A faster pace increases the cardio demand, while a slower pace focuses on the core. Next, flip over for the crab walk, an incredible move for the glutes, triceps, and shoulders. Sit on the floor with knees bent and hands behind you. Lift your hips off the floor. From this position, walk forward and backward using your hands and feet. Keep the hips lifted high throughout. The third exercise is a core shredder, the bear plank hold. Get on all fours, then tuck your toes and lift your knees just 1 or 2 inches off the floor. Your back should be flat. Hold this position. Fight the urge to lift your hips. The lower your knees are, the harder the core works. The last push is toe touches, hitting the upper abs. Lie on your back with your legs straight up towards the ceiling. Extend your arms up and crunch your upper body, lifting your shoulder blades off the floor to reach your hands toward your toes. Exhale as you lift. Inhale as you lower. Daily cool down. It is crucial not to skip the cool down. With your muscles warm, this is the best time to stretch, boost flexibility, and get a head start on recovery. Perform these stretches after every workout. Begin with a hamstring stretch. While lying on your back, hug your right knee into your chest. Then, slowly straighten that leg toward the ceiling, holding the back of your thigh and gently pulling it toward you. Hold, release, and switch legs. Next, gently roll over to a seated position for a quad stretch. Sit on your heels, then carefully place your hands on the floor behind you and lean back to feel a deep stretch down the front of your thighs. Follow this with a chest stretch. While seated or kneeling, clasp your hands behind your back. Straighten your arms and pull your shoulder blades toward each other to open up your chest. Finally, perform a quick shoulder stretch. Bring your right arm across your body and use your left arm to gently pull it closer, feeling the stretch in your shoulder. Hold, then switch sides. By completing this week of workouts, you've proven to yourself that you have everything you need to get stronger, burn fat, and transform your body without leaving your home. You've trained for power, endurance, and stability, hitting every major muscle group. Remember, the real magic happens with consistency. Follow the schedule every week. As you get stronger, try the advanced versions of exercises, push for more reps, or complete more rounds. That's how you ensure continued progress. If you found this program valuable and are ready for more, make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new session. We want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which workout, A, B, or C, was the absolute toughest for you this week. Share it with the community. Want to maximize your results and speed up recovery? Check out my video on simple science-backed ways to boost your daily protein intake, essential for muscle repair and growth after tough workouts. Watch it here or tap the video on screen. It's packed with easy tips you can start using today to fuel your progress. Be proud of what you just accomplished. We'll see you in the next workout.